everyone, welcome back to today's video where we are diving into a fantastic mathematical concept known as HCF. HCF stands for Highest Common Factor. This is also known as GCD. GCD stands for Greatest Common Divisor. Whether you are a student preparing for exams or you found yourself spending too much time on calculation of HCF, don't worry. In this video, I am going to show a clever and easy to use technique that will make HCF calculations a breeze. Walk through a few examples to illustrate the process. For instance, find the HCF of 24 and 36. As usual, I am following the steps. Step 1. Write the numbers in ascending order. Here comes first 24 and this comes second. So our first step is done. So let's go to the second step. Find the difference between these two numbers. So find the difference between these two numbers. So what is the difference? 12. And then step 3. Check for divisibility. Check it. Is 24 divisible by 12? Yes. 12 times 2 is 24. Is 36 divisible by 12? Yes. 12 times 3 is 36. In this case, the difference is your HCF. So in this problem, what is HCF? 12. We will go with another example to find the HCF, which is 12, 48, 36. So 12, 48, 36. So what is our first step? Write numbers in ascending order. The first comes 12 and then 36. And the last one is 48. So what is our second step? Find the difference between the numbers. So 12, 36, difference is 24. 36, 48, difference is 12. Here 24 and 12 is there. So in this time you have to take the least number in between these two. So what is our least number? 12. And this, so second step is done. So now go with the third step. So what is our third step? Check for divisibility. 12 is divisible by 12. Yes. Is 36 divisible by 12? Yes. Is 48 divisible by 12? Yes. 12 times 4 is 48. So in this problem, our HCF is 12. So like that, within few seconds you can find the HCF. I will go with the another example, which is 108 and 132. So our first step is write the numbers in ascending order. Write the numbers. Our step 2 is find the difference between numbers. What is the difference between 132 and 108? That is 24. So the difference between these two numbers is 24. Let's go with step 3. Step 3 is check for divisibility. So is 108 divisible by 24? No. So if not divisible by this number, what you have to do? You have to find the factors of this difference. What is the difference? The number 24. You have to find the factors of 24. What is the factors of 24? 1 times 24 is 24. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. Then 6, 8, 12, 24. So among these numbers, highest number is our HCF. Let's say 24 is the highest number, but 24 is not divisible by these numbers, so you should not take this, and we have to take another highest number, which is 12 here, and check the divisibility. 108 is divisible by 12. Yes, 12 times 9 is 108. Is 132 divisible by 12? Yes, 12 times 11 is 132. So the answer is 12. This is your HCF. This is your HCF. I will show one more problem. That is 40 and 50. Another example is 40, 50. So what you have to do? Write in ascending order. Find the difference. What is difference? 25. Third step is check for divisibility. 40. Is 40 divisible by 25? Not exactly. No. So then what you have to do? Write the factors of 25. What are the factors of 25? 1, 5, 25. You should not take 25. So if you not take 25, what is our greatest number here? 5. So 5 is our HCF. Is 15 divisible by 5? Yes. Is 40 divisible by 5? Yes. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 3 is 15. So is divisibility satisfied? So our HCF is 5. I will go with another example, which is 22, 121 and 33. So first step, write these numbers in ascending order. 22, 33, 121. So find the difference between numbers. 11 and this. Done. What is our third step? Check for divisibility. Is 22 is divisible by 11? Yes. 11 times 2 is 22. Is 121 is divisible by 11? Yes. 11 times 11 is 121. Is 33 is divisible by 11? Yes. 11 times 3 is 33. So in this case, our HCF is 11. So in these two, we have to take the least number, which is 11. So this is the trick. It's very easy to solve the HCF within few seconds. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching this video. In my next video, we will meet with an interesting topic. Until then, see you. Bye-bye.